Yeah, yeah, yeah. Where you going? You wanna try again? Yeah, look at that kid. Jilana, you don't go. She's gonna do the monkey bar again. Julene is gonna do it. Why would you do that? Go, 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 Julene. Your other hand goes on the other one. Your other hand goes on the other one. Interval. You know your other hands need to be on the other bar. Not the same bar, not the same bar. Okay, nobody's in there now. See, you guys can do it after that. Oh, yeah, go back it again. Oh, there you go. Nobody's in there. Ready. Ready. No, one hand to be on the other side. Huh? So you can go farther. Yeah, you can go on the other side and do a volleyball. Guys, go on the other side and do a volleyball. Remember, go practice and then there you go.